why I didn't play basketball, but I did why I didn't play soccer. I played football. But yeah, but football is like pads and stuff. I can't even put the card in.
Go, William, go, run!
Nice kick.
Run hard.
Get it.
Throw in, Bubba. Beckham, move up. It's our throw. Whoa. Well, it was our throw. Never mind. Now go, son. Go. Go, Beckham. Go. Go. Spread out. Spread out. Shoot, Beckham. Oh, good job, buddy. Good job, Bubba.
Hey, you get in there, William. You run hard. Turn around. Turn around.
Move up, son. There you go.
Go, run, William.
Go, Jace.
Get in there. Get in there. Oh. Get that ball. Get it, run. Run. Run hard, William. Go get the ball. Get in there.
Oh.
Okay, you run hard. You go in there and get the ball, okay? You show me. Okay, watch the ball.
Beckham, move up.
Get it, William. Go. Get the ball. Take it, William.
Good shot, Lucas.
It's okay. Pay attention, okay? You got it. Go get a ball. Hurry up.
Wait for the whistle. Wait.
Go, William. Go.
Jace. Jace. Yeah, good job, Beckham. Way to finish it. Good job, buddy.
Get in there. You take that ball away, William. I want to see you do that. Good job.
Start throwing. Beckham, go down. Beckham, move for the goal. There we go.
Okay.
Go, son, go.
Ready, Jay?
Go, shoot. Oh, good try, good try.
Good job.
Good job, Beckham.
Get in there. Get it to one of your guys.
Oh, 13. Ah, Beckham. Control it.
Hey, I got it. Come on, go.
Nobody's back here.
Go, William, go. Take it.
Good, Jace.
Get that ball.
Oh, good try.
Hey, Chase, take that shot. Hey, don't you worry out. Take that shot.
You need to go take William outside and play with him every single day.
Go, Blaine, go, Blaine, get it.
Get in there, Blaine.
Hey, you gotta play fast the whole time. Watch the ball, watch the ball.
Get it to Jack.
Jace, move up. Jace, get in front of 5.
Good job, Griffin. Get Jackson. Get there, Blaine. Go help him.
Good, Lucas.
Go, Jackson.
Shoot.
Go.
All right.
got to go help him. Get ready.
Go, Beckham.
Hey,
Shoot.
away, boys.
Good shot, son.
Nice try, Jace.
Good job, Beckham.
Hey Jackson, when they blow the whistle, run down the field so he can pass to you.
Go, Jackson, go.
Go, run!
There you go. Good. Go, Beckham. Go. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass. There you go. Good try.
Run fast, run.
Good. That's you, Jace. Stay on your side, Beckham. Stay over
Good
there.
job. Good.
Get ready.
That was good.
Good job, Jace.
Ball. Get up. Get up.
Jace, time to go.
Good. Oh, good try. Corner kick.
What? We'll take
Hey,
him
here we
later.
go.
Here's Beckham. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it, Beckham. Good. Stay with it. Go. Play. Play. Get it, Beckham. Go.
Good job.
Take it. Take the ball. Kick.
Go, Wayne.
Now, get ready. Get up there with him.
Jackson, stay on your feet, buddy.
Get hard, bud.
Stay on your feet.
Jackson, come to the middle. William, go to the other side. Not the parent. Right, go to the other side.
Come on, William, over here.
There you go. There you go.
Go the ball.
Oh, corner. Corner kick. Bulldozers. Beckham, move up. You ready?
Jackson, over.
Jace on the backside. Same spot. Bulldozers, spread out.
Get ready, Volcanoes.
There you go, dribble. Dribble, Benaiah. Good. Shoot.
Walk it, bud.
Good. Good, Jace.
It's okay. Hey, William, go after the ball. You got it. Go get it. Go get it. Good job. Go get the ball. Run
Get it,
hard.
Jackson. Oh.
Go Beckham. Make your move. Shoot. Yeah. Good job, buddy.
You run. I want to see how fast you can run. You got that? You slowly run.
Good job, Beckham. Keep after it, buddy.
Go score a goal.
No, sir.
Don't back up after you stay up. They're on there, Blake. Nope. Back up. Get him, Jackson.
Bubba. Bubba.
Jackson, get open.
Get ready, buddy.
Yeah. Nice pass. Guard it.
Good job. Good job. Come on, Jackson.
Get out of there.
Come on, Volcanoes.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Jackson, stay on your feet. Stay on your feet.
Get open, Jackson. Good job, Blaine.
Guard it, Blaine.
Oh, good job, Blaine. Good job. Get it out of there, guys. Good job, Griffin. Good job.
Good job. Guard that goal, Bug.
Beckham, take the corner. Hurry.
Get ready, baby.
Run and take it, son. Go get it. Oh, now you don't. You got to get there faster than that. Get back.
Nice, boys.
Oh.
That's okay. Good job, you guys.
Good job, Desmond. We scored, Beckham. Back up. Hey, if he says take a corner, you got to run up there and do it. Okay?
You're good. You're doing awesome.
You're good.
Guard that goal, Bug.
Okay, guys.
Good job,
Go,
Jackson.
Go, Jackson.
Good job.
Good, Beckham.
You got it, Jackson.
Oh, get up, get up, get up, get up. Throw it in, Beckham. Beckham, throw it in, hurry. Hurry. Beckham, throw it in, hurry. Go up, move up. Mateus, move up. There you go. Good. Good, go. Go, Beanie. Go, Desmond.
Come on, Blaine, you got it. Oh, good job. Good job.
Get it, Jackson.
Get you, Beckham. Take it from him, Beckham. Oh, good job.
Good job, Jackson. Way to go.
All right, Beckham, goal kick.
Stay on your feet.
So close.
Beckham out here.
Jackson, do it again. Come on, bud.
Right here. There you go. Good. Go, Mateus.
Good job, Jace.
Get it, Jace.
Yeah.
There you go. Go, Beanie. Cheers, Beanie.
Jackson, good job.
Good, Beanie. It's your ball. Go, Desmond. Shoot. Oh, nice shot.
Yeah, keep going, dude. You're doing good.
Have the boys been playing together?
I don't know. This is our first year playing here.
Okay.
I think this team had maybe half of the team was together last year.
Okay.
So
Hey, keep
we
doing that,
played
Jackson. You're good, bud.
upward and impact for our
Go,
church.
Jackson, go. Okay.
But
Yeah, this was.
it just was too. It got too easy. My son was just scoring a lot, and it was not competitive for him, so we moved him over here.
Yeah.
Is this a new
Hey,
team?
get open,
Is
bud.
this a new team?
So,
I
so they're
understand.
trying to figure it out.
I've got a U10 girls team that I had got asked to coach because there wasn't a coach, and I understand.
Yeah.
It's even worse than that because I've got
Go, Jackson.
oh, I've got 10 girls and 7 of them have never played at U10. So yeah, so we're getting better, but it's a struggle. Yeah.
Well, I mean, her team, they've been playing together for 3 years.
Go get it, Jackson.
We had quite a few new girls this year.
Go, buddy. Go, 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 go.
And yeah, that's a pretty big
Good, Beckham. Good.
You got it.
Oh.
That's okay. Good job.
Good job, boys.
Try your hardest.
Good job, dude.
Jackson. Down the field. Get in there.
At least they're still young enough where they can still get where they can improve. This is still at an age where they can still get better.
Oh, yeah,
I
absolutely.
mean, you're talking U10. We got. I can't teach anything like I'm just having to teach rules, and there's offsides, and
Keep going,
we
buddy.
didn't even
You're
talk
doing
about
great.
offsides. We're not even worried if we get offsides, and we just get it. 'Cause-
And it's just the basics. It's
Yeah.
hard to teach the basics, and then
and then you've got the 3 or 4 that need to be more advanced stuff. I don't have time to teach
Get
that.
it, bud.
That's
Go,
exactly
up the field.
where my
Up the field, go,
My daughter doesn't love it. She plays. I don't know. I don't know if we'll play again. She might be where she thinks basketball maybe what she
Go
wants to
downfield,
stick
Jackson.
with,
Go
so
downfield.
we'll see. I don't know.
And they kind of start just getting away.
Go, Jackson, get it!
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, she says she might not play in the spring. Might just take the season off. But my son loves it. This will be what I think he loves other sports too. This is his favorite. So we're gonna stick with it. Oh, saving Mateus cross. There it is. Come on, Desmond, go to it. Oh, good try.
Yeah, our son who's playing, he's still kind of sick, but he hasn't quite gotten to where he's ready
Jackson,
for a
look.
kick or
Get up
something.
there.
He's just trying to
Get
figure
in front of
it
him,
all
Jackson.
out
Get in
right
front of
now.
him.
Get him.
So we're hoping that kicks in here real soon.
Come back the
Well,
other way.
sometimes it
Come back the other way,
just
Jackson.
takes one click and then it.
Go.
Yeah.
Get ready, Beckham, get ready.
You got it, Chase.
Go Desmond. Hey, good Desmond.
Stay on your feet,
Stay on
dude.
your feet,
You
Jackson.
would have had a goal if you stayed on your feet.
I tripped over the
I know you tripped. It's okay, but you gotta try to stay on your feet.
Go.
What are we doing? What are we? I think they should be a kickoff.
Kickoff, Jackson.
I was confused for a minute. We had some that don't know kickoffs are steals. We get scored on.
Get up to
The girls.
the line, please.
Yeah.
No, up to the line. The half line.
Lines that are
Go
still
half field line.
getting it.
Go. You see? Up there. Go. Go get it.
Probably should have
Get it, boys. Go, James.
That's what we did. It was great. No negatives about it. It was just too not competitive enough for him. I mean, he wouldn't have. He was the youngest, and they have two ages together,
Pay attention.
each level, and he was the youngest in the age last year. And I mean, it was 4 or 5 goals a game, and then it was just so. It took him a little bit to get settled in over here, but he's still not. He's still not super aggressive yet. Not enough for me anyway. But he's doing pretty good.
Go, buddy, go!
Yeah. All right, we go. Get ready, Beckham. Get ready.
Kick it!
Take it away. There you go. Good, Beckham.
Okay, good job.
Oh, nice shot, Mateus. Wow, that was a tough angle.
Hey.
Good job, Mateus.
There, okay? Pay attention.
Bring it to the middle.
You're doing good, bud. Hey, pay attention. Get up there. Get up there.
Go, Jackson.
Stop it, Beckham. Good.
You got it, Jackson. Take it
Hit
away.
it.
Get rid of it. There you go. Good pass, son. Good. Go, Mateus. Good job, Beckham. Way to control it.
All played in college.
Oh!
So super competitive.
Bless, baby.
So frustrated, like, with our kids. But
Do that again.
maybe our son needs a different coach. I don't know, with him.
Sometimes it's like just clash. Like mine listen pretty well, but soccer's not like I played soccer growing up, but it's not my best
Go, buddy.
sport.
Go, Jackson. Go, go, go.
William.
Now I can coach a game and manage, but
Good job.
like, skills and doing drills and stuff, they need somebody else to help with it. Go, Beckham, go, good.
Run, William, run.
Go, Lucas.
You got it, run.
Get ready, Beckham. Good, go, Beckham, go.
Take it, William.
Good, Beckham, go. Dribble. Good.
Get it, Jackson. Go, go, go.
Turn it, Benaya. Other way, Benaya.
Get it, Jackson, get it.
There you go. Good, Benaya. Cross it. Good. Oh, good try. Good idea. A little softer.
Get ready for the kick from Jace, please.
Good try, buddy.
Ready for the pass from him.
Yeah, good job, buddy. Hey. Get in the middle, Jackson.
Get ready for the kick from Jace, baby. No, back closer.
There it is, there it is. Good, Benai, good. Oh, good try.
Good job, boy.
You got lots of time there.
Focus on your job, Jackson.
You know it.
Not
Take your time, buddy. You're all right.
Get open, Jackson.
Take
Get open.
that tap over to your left foot and shoot with your left. There you go. Go get it.
It's okay, follow it, William. Go.
Good idea, good idea.
Look at Lucas. There you go.
Ball, Jackson.
Top. Oh, nice shot, Lucas.
You gotta pay attention, dude. Hey, Jackson, kick it in the goal from there again.
Kick off, baby.
Get ready, Beckham.
Run, William, run.
There you go, Jace. Get rid of it. There you go. Good. Go, Beckham. Go. Go. Spread out. Spread out, Lucas. Oh.
Run fast, William.
Watch the play, Jackson. Watch the play. We're done.
William. William, run.
Go, Jackson.
Same team.
Don't throw it.
Start throwing. Start throwing, Benai. Right here.
Jackson, get by the goal.
Right here. Lucas, move up toward the goal. Toward the goal. Toward the goal.
Jackson, get by the
There
goal.
you go.
Go.
Didn't go toward the goal enough. Good, Beckham. Go, son. Good pass. Nice. Dribble, dribble. There you go. Make your move. Shot.
Get in there, William. Your team.
Oh, good job, Anaya. Good pass. Somebody help him. Get ready. That's a shoot. Shot. Shoot, Beckham. Shoot the ball. There you go. Oh. Good try.
Be ready for him to pass to you, Jackson.
Nice move, Benaya. That was really pretty. There it is. Oh.
Pay attention. No, pay
Pay
attention.
attention.
Show him how it is. He does not.
I bet if sister was out there, he'd get more aggressive. That's how mine is. Mine, if my daughter was out there, they'd run each other over.
At home, but he doesn't do it on the field.
Yeah.
Go, up the field.
He can go forever.
Oh.
Playing soccer. It is just.
When they practice, is she out there? You do? So I would suggest maybe scrimmaging, put her in scrimmage against them, and that would maybe get him out there and get him in there a little bit. See if that helps. Like I do that with the opposite with mine. So I put Beckham out there with the girls, and it makes them more aggressive. I don't want this little boy to beat us. So it's helped with my girls team.
Good job,
They're
buddy.
more aggressive.
Don't let him get that ball from you.
And it
okay?
gets him extra practice because he's playing with some older players. Because they don't want little kindergartners to get around them, you know.
Get open, Jackson.
Get ready. Get ready. Get it, Beckham. Get ready.
Good job.
Take that ball. There you go. Good. Good protection. Go, 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 go. Beckham, go. Go, but spread out, Lucas. Yeah, spread out a little bit. Oh, good. Cross it back.
Get it, bro. Get it. Get it.
Got it. There he is. Cross. There it is. Oh, Beckham, Isaac. Come on, son.
Run!
There you go. Good. Shot. Oh, goodness. Good try, Lucas.
Be ready, Jackson. Don't look at us. Be ready for the ball.
Yeah, you're doing good. Watch the ball.
Good job.
Up the field, Jackson. Up the field.
Go. Go.
Oh.
Good, Lucas. Shoot. Oh, nice. Okay, Lucas. We don't need to know what that is all about.
All right. Hey, kick it hard.
Good, 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 good. Get it, Beckham. Get in there.
Get in there.
Take it, Beckham. Take it. Take it. Take it, Beckham. Go. Go. A good pass. Shot, Lucas. Oh, follow. Oh, again. Don't quit. Shoot, Beckham. Oh.
Good job, Chase.
Good try, Beckham. Way to follow it.
Get up the field and be ready for the pass.
There it is, Beckham. Get ready. Go. Dribble. Dribble. Same team. Same team. Go. Go. Oh. Y'all spread out. Don't get all over each other. Spread out.
Turn it around.
Good. Good, Lucas. Oh, good try.
Play the game, baby.
Jackson.
Ooh, easy touch.
Good
Oh, good, Beckham. Good, Beckham. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass.
Good job. Good job.
Stay with it. Still in. Still in. Don't quit.
Get it. Get up. Get up.
Get ready, Beckham. There it is. Shoot.
Good job, guys. Get it out of there.
Somebody shoot.
Good
Oh,
job. Off the field, Jackson.
there you go, Beckham. Cross. Oh, good, Benaya. Shoot.
Good job, Jay.
Stay up, Beckham. Pass. Good pass. Go, Beckham. Oh, good, Beckham. Way to stay with it. Yes, good, Benaya. Way to follow. Good
job,
teamwork.
Jay. Doing good.
Nice teamwork, Bulldozers.
Come on, Griffin. Come on, Griffin. Come on, bud. Come here.
It's our kickoff.
Right here. Good job.